discussing some of the text styling tech, okay, and property we are using inside that. Like in the text, we have using that like font family, font size, and font weight. Okay, so many more we are using. So I will share my screen, then I will show you one by one. Anyone facing any difficulty in that like assignment can text me the chat box as well. My screen is visible to you guys. Okay, thank you so much. Wait, opening. Visual Studio opening. Another insert code running but not responding. Okay. One. So we are going to that open file or open folder you have to, and we are opening that WB4. Okay. So wait. Yeah, it's opening now. So we need to create another file inside your public folder or any other folder. So next we have to discuss one by one what are the text styling property are there. Okay. So we have to go to public folder and we have to create file text.html. Okay, I will close that one. It's opening many times. Unable to create temporary files setup. Okay, not issue. Yeah. So it's creating now. So before that, if you want to designing something a text, like if you want to give that color of the text, and if you want to change the font family of the like particular family of the font, then you can by using font family we have, and like font size, if you want to change the font like size of that like 10 pixel or 2 em or whatever unit you are using inside that, it's not matter. So next is like we have font weight is there, means if you want to bold that particular font or like if you want to italic that font, then you can. Next we have font style, we have text transfer, we have the text transfer means what of the text transfer, it means that like if you want to like uppercase any of the letter, if you want to convert to the lowercase to uppercase or uppercase to lowercase in the time you're using text transfer. Okay. So text decoration we are using, and we have text shadow, and text like alignment, align with letter spacing, word spacing. We have font variant. We have text indent. If you want to indent that particular paragraph to the middle of that like your screen, then you can by using text indent. And we have like text overflow, like if you create any the particular border inside that, like a something 500 pixel 300 pixel, if you create inside that a border or like a box inside that, if you want to like input all that, like what are the like content you are writing inside that like coding part, you want to set in into that particular what is that, it's like box. So at that time we are using text overflow. And we have white space, we have orientation, and we have like a writing mode and word print. We have many more are there. Okay, so let's see one by one. I will discuss. So this one is text styling. Okay, so first thing we need to uh, I need to give a particular paragraph, then I will change one by one. Okay, first thing we need to create a style. In the style we have to create particular key as like a tag. So in the tag I want like color. First I need to mention the color, what a color you want, like a gray or like particularly aqua, whatever. Gr, not color is there. Okay, ratio I will choose one color. We have crimson, I will choose crimson. And the crimson, next we have to uh, open that one live server. Wait 2 seconds, it will be opening soon. So I will see how it's look. Then we have to go like other property we have in that font styling. Yeah, it's opening now. Okay, so first paragraph, whatever I write inside that, it will be in that red color, like a crimson color. Okay, so if you want to like something change the font family, then you have to use font family. Inside we have like many font are there. If you want to install the font, then you can. If you want to use this font, then you can also. So we have like sans serif, monospace, like serif and inheritance. All these things are there. And if I using monospace, let's see what happened. It's like something. This is the monospace. Okay, if I changing like something serif, sans serif or serif you have using inside that, it look like that. Okay, so this is font family. If you want to change the font family, so next we have font size. We have to go to the font size. Size we have, if you want to like we have larger, medium, small, smaller, and we have extra large if you want, and extra small if you want, you can use that extra x small. And if you want to extra large, then you have to use like large, excess large. And if you want like smaller more than smaller, then you have to use that one. So if you want to given that in the particularly by using the unit of that, like percentage unit or CHCM, we have many unit are there. So if you want, then you can, but I will using inside that particularly font size will be 10 pixel. If I using, let's see what happen is a 10 pixel. If I want to change something like a 3 em, it's like so. Now it's changing. So this is the em, 3 em. So it's like larger than the pixel. Okay, so next we have to go font weight. We have to go font weight. Okay, so we have like if you also that one, we have 100, 200, 300. It is the line of that, like particularly if you want to show the particular like thickness of that particular like texture, so you can. So we have bold, bolder, normal, lighter. We have that. If you want change like bold, let's see what happens. It is the bold. Okay, if I want to change that one is like bolder, this is the bold. So if I want to change that one is light or lighter, if I using inside that lighter, this is a normal view. Okay, so this is the we are using font weight. Basically font weight we are using for like uh, particularly like bolding a text or like a lighter text, or if you want to change something 100 or 200, if you give inside that, it also work, but it's not affected more than that. Okay, not like up to that one like what changes in that, but it's the background it's changing a little bit of that. So if you want like, but basically if you are designing something website inside that, so many of that like you are using inside that particularly of a word, if you want to bold that particularly, so at the time we are using bold or like whatever, so that time you can. But if you want to more than that, like you have to use 100, 200, 300, whatever, yeah, okay. So next we have to go to the font style. What is the font style we have there? Font style. The font style we have italic, normal, oblique, and like inheritance. Inheritance, initial, onset, you know that's all the things. So italic we have. If I give that italic, let's see what happens. This is the italic. If you want to convert that like any of the font or like any of the text in the like a something slant inside that, so that time we are using font style, it's like italic. If I using oblique, let's see what happen. Oblique, like okay, oblique. So next we have there italic, normal, nothing else there. Normal means it's a normal text, whatever like you see that in the previous it's like same. Okay, so next we have to go to like a text transfer. Okay, if you want to change like something text into a large like a uppercase or lowercase or like capitalized letter, means each of the word will be first letter will be capital. At the time we are using capitalize. I will show you that one. Let's so it's text transform. Capitalize we have, lowercase we have, and uppercase we have. Okay, so if I using like I'm using uppercase inside that, all be text will be converted in the uppercase. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, so next thing, if you want to convert the like in the lowercase from the uppercase, then you can, you have to like write inside that is lowercase and it's changing automatically. Okay, done. So if you want to capitalize means each word first letter will be capital, or like rest of the letter will be small. So at the time we are using capitalize. Let's see. The first letter of that every word we have capital. L is capital, I is capital, D is capital, and S is capital. And after that, the rest of all the character we have in that word, it is small. Okay, this is capitalized. Okay, so I hope you got a decent idea about like what are the like text transfer, how we can like do that like uppercase into lowercase, lowercase to uppercase, and capitalize whatever. required. Okay, if you want to use like JavaScript by using like a normally like any of that particularly customer typing something inside that lowercase, if you want to convert in the uppercase automatically, then you have to use like in that JavaScript we have dot uppercase, dot lowercase, dot capitalization. But basically if you want to like in static website, if you want to change automatically, then like in that you have to coding on in that time, so it will be changing. Like if you go any of that like application form, if you fill that for any of the application form, or uh, like something to giving a credit card, if you like applying for credit card, they will be asking something like pan card number or like any other number. Okay, in the if you observe that one, like pan card number always will be in that capital letter, it's not small. Okay, at the time at the time if of the user will be like typing something in that small letter, it not allowed, it only be allowed capital letter bit, because in the if you go to the any of that like particular pan card, it will be mentioned all the character will be capital. That's why the designer or developer do that one like automatically. If any of the if you, like customer type uppercase, it's okay. If customer like type let like lowercase, it will be automatically convert to the uppercase, we can do that. Okay, so next thing we have to go, it's font like text transform dump. We have text decoration. The text decoration we have dash, dotted, we have that. So one by one we have to go dash. First one is dash. If you want to line one line, it's not working. Okay, let's see. Another one we try. We have dotted and we have underline. We have, I think, underline. Yeah, it's working fine now. So at the time if you want to text decoration will be underline, then you have to use underline. And we have like double dotted, all these things are there. Let's see working or not. Not working. Okay, I think it's like deprecated maybe in that 5 version. So we try other one as well. A line double and line throw we have not working. Okay, line through, let's try line through. It's working fine. Okay, so next we have to go. I hope you got a decent idea about like text regression as well. So next we have to go. We have texted. Texted. Pixel, 5 pixel. It's like red or like you can undo. But I will remove that particularly strike through. Then you have to observe what are the changing is done inside that. If I change the color, it's better. Wait. This one is color, I have to give in the green. So I want to change, it's like something normal. Normal we have, I think, normal. Okay. So have you observed that one? It will like it affected the eye, but if you want to using that much, so you can. So you have to give that if you want to in that in the below of that you can. So you have to manage like 2 pixel or 5 pixel. You have to manage like it's like height and like width as well. So if I 10, if I give the 10, it's like let's see what happen. It will be goes to that right side. Okay. If I changing that one as well, it's like 15 pixel or 20 pixel. It will be changing in that below of that. Okay. So this is text shadow. Okay, so if you want to change giving any particular text shadow, then you can. Okay, and if you want to give in that particularly font like something transparency color, then you can, not a issue. Okay, so you have to give that bg rgba, so at that time you have to give that one. Okay, yeah. Okay, so if I using like any red color, we have red. It looks like that, but if you want to change like something, it's 5, or that one as well as 5, you can choose like 50 pixel as well, not issue. So these things you have to work on that. So next thing we have text alignment. Okay, so you know that like text alignment we have center, left, right, all these things are there. Okay, so if I using, I will change the color, it's better because it's affect all. So next we have to go text alignment. We have center, justify, left, right, start we have there, but if I using like center, let's see what happen. It is the center of the text. Okay, text will be center. If I want like left side, then you can. I want right side, it's working fine. If I want to justify the content, it's working fine now. Okay, this justify content, it will be justified according to your width of that. Okay, and we have done like text alignment. Next we have to go line height. If you want to change the height of the particular paragraph, then you can. Let's see how we done. We have line height. If I give 10 pixel, is the 10 pixel. Have you observed one like one line will be like other line, we have like intersection if you talk about like that one. So if I changing like something 5 em, let's see what happen. It will be like that. Okay, so if you want to according to the your requirement, you have to give 2 em, this one 2 em. Okay, then so I hope you got that one. So next we have to go font. We have letter spacing and word spacing. Okay, so letter spacing means you know that in the word we have many letters, 5 letter or like 4 letter, whatever letter is there inside that. If you want to like increase the size between that, then you have to use letter spacing. And word spacing we are using for like something in between the word. Okay, let's see. Letter spacing we have is that we have to give 2 em. This is the letter spacing. Okay, if I give like 10 pixel, it's like good, I think 10 pixel. Okay, it's look good now. So next we have to go letter spacing. Sorry, it's like word spacing. Sorry for that. So next we have to go word spacing. We have word spacing. The word spacing have, if you give that 20 pixel, let's see what happens. Word will be separated. If I give like something 5 pixel, be closure. If I give like something 50 pixel, it will be spacing will be increased. So according to your requirement or like according to your client requirement, you have to give. So we have done word spacing as well, and like letter spacing. We have font variant. So what is font variant? Let's see. Font variant we have font variant spell cap. This is normal, not required that much. Okay, they are not required that much. So I will remove the word spacing, or like I will comment that one line height and word spacing as all these things. Now it's good or not? Yeah. So I need like text transfer of capitalize. I need, and that one will be comment. Okay. Uppercase letter I will done. Wait, I will check with the capitalize we have done, and we need to change the font size. I think I will change the font size. Wait, 0.5. I will look how it is like something 0.5% or 5 em. You can call it. One we might give that one. Okay. If I give 1.5, it's better. I think. Okay. So next we have to go text indent. So if I write something a must text inside that lorem 50. Okay. Yeah. So I want to that line will be started from that particularly. So at the time we are using text indent. So you have to go through that, and we have to use like text indent. In the text indent, you have to give like particularly 10 pixel, 50 pixel, whatever you are using inside that. Okay, it's changing from that 50 pixel. If I give like something uh, 5 em, it will be changing. If I give that one is 50, 15 em, let's see what happens. Wait. We have to go here and you write. Okay. So at the time we are using, if you want to like indent of the particular text, if you go to the any of the particular like Word or Excel, we have indent, right? Okay. So basically, like indent, if you work any like a Excel sheet or like Word, in that we have indent. If you want to set that indent, then you have to drag it the like upper part of that. You have to drag it and set all that like indent whatever we have. So next we have to go text overflow, and we have white space and like all these things are there. But before that, anyone have any doubt? Whatever I teach you inside there, you can ask me. Okay, no doubt. Other one have any doubt, guys? Okay, great. Okay, so we'll move forward like other one, like how we can set like text like overflow. Like we have text orientation, we have the right mode, we have word break, all these things are there. But basically we are not using like white space or writing mode, all these things. Let's see. So we need to designing something a border as well. So I need border. So I will comment out these things and I will create another one. This one will be there. Okay. Wait. We need to create that. Done. Okay. So we have to create other one. I will give something like lorem 50 as well. So next we have to do there. Okay. So first thing we need to create a border. It's like 1 pixel solid. You have to give like something black, or you can use like a green or whatever color you want. Let's see how it look. It look fine now. Okay. So but I want to change the width. Width is like something 200 pixel. If I give this 150, let's see what how it's look. So this but I want to change like as well, height will be decrease also I need. So I will give that one as 200, and I need to change like height as well. It's like something 500 pixel. Let's look now. Yeah. Okay. So one thing you need to observe that one, like that text, all the text whatever we assigning inside the box, it will be overflow. Okay, it will be out of the box, but I don't need that one. I need The whatever content I will assigning that, it will be inside the box. So at the time we are using overflow. I need something 300 pixel. Look, look, but I will give something lorem as well. Lorem 100. Lorem, let's see. Will be out of that box now. Yeah, it's out of the box. So I need to maintain all the content whatever we have inside that. We need to in that box. So at the time you need to use text transform. Text transform. No, sorry, it's not text transfer. It is like text overflow. So we have clips and we have inheritance. So let's see. I'm using clips. Not changing. Wait, I need to give other one. I think clips. Okay. So I think that property are using overflow. We are using text overflow, and we have other one. I think there any text transfer. Okay, I think the text like overflow we are using for another method. I think it's not. So I will show you like how it's look as well. How we can set inside the box. Wait, what are the property we need to use inside? Anyone have any idea about that? So you can tell me in the chat box. So I will go back to you. So we have like a font, not font. We have overflow hidden. You can scroll. Overflow is there, but text overflow is not there. I think it's overflow working fine, but I need like what is the text overflow? Anyone have any idea about that? No one. Okay. Okay, I will show you later. But after that, then how we can set all the content inside the box by using overflow. So at the time we are using overflow. So in the overflow, you have to give overflow, and it will be hidden is there, scroll, visible, all things are there. If you are using auto, let's see what happen. Auto we have like scroll button is there. Okay, you have to scroll that all these things and you have to give. Okay, if you want padding as well, you have to give padding, so it will be content will be much visible to you. So okay, so good now. So if you want to change that like all the font size and font like style, whatever you need, you have to give inside that. Not an issue. So next thing you have to go. We have scroll is there. Scroll is same. Auto like same also as well. Okay. If I give hidden, let's see what happen. Hidden, the font will be hidden. All the font after that uh, the content will be overflow. It will be hidden the content. Okay. If you need that one, then you have to use hidden. If you don't want, then you have to use scroll button. So at the time the content will be scrolling. Okay, whatever content if you assigning something bigger than that also it will be working. Let's see, I will give 5,000 content. Wait, yeah, done I think. Okay, it's working fine. So you can using any of the particularly you can give any particularly menu button inside that or emails you can whatever you need you have to give inside that. If you are designing a particular like a e-commerce website, if you go to the Amazon we have other one is that I will show you. Wait, if I go to the Amazon, you have scroll button means if you want to go to any of the item there will be scroll is there, you can designing that one according to that. Wait, wait. Okay, so if I go there, we have it's a carousel you can create, and you can create up the particular scroll button. If you want to scroll that one, it will be scrolling on that. Okay, you have to give the width. Okay, it will be goes to that. Then so I will close that. So next thing we have to go. We have like writing mode. We have there text orientation. We have there by using any of the particular span. Then I will show you. It. Span, and we have go span. Inside the span, if you are writing something welcome, inside the span, if you give text orientation, we have there orientation, if side way, all these things are there. Off right, what are the things are there? Let's see, it's working off right, and we are using something as well like we have side way right, all these things are there. Off right, if you are using off right, already done, I think. Right, we have one whatever there. We have side way right working. Okay, some of the like element will be deprecated now, that's why it's not working. So you have to update like every day. Wait, I will got transfers inside after that, so it's working or not. Let's see. What is that? Yeah. Side where we have, and if I change in something uh right, and we have side way. Okay, it's not working, not issue. So you can change that like size of that. It's 2D animation and 3D, like 3D on the two dimensional, dimensional. We can dynamically change that font like whatever we need. If you want to like any of the content, if you want to like changing of direction, it's like a degree direction, or like something pixel direction, it's like 100 pixel or 200 pixel. You can do that one, 2D animation, 3D animation. So I will tell you that. Okay, so next we have what we've done. Okay, so these things are there in the font like text styling uh, tag. Okay, so I hope you don't have any idea like sorry, it's not like understand all these things. You have got a decent idea about all this like concept whatever I teach you inside that. So I will give you a assignment, because we have mostly completed it's like 80% of that CSS and HTML. HTML we have completed already 100%. We completed like CSS 100 like 80%. We have 20% is there, like we have 2D animation, sorry, 2D transfer, and we have in the 2D transfer we have like something translate, and we have rotate, we have scale option is there, and we have skew, and in that like we have 3D animation as well there. So we'll go there and we'll teach you like all the concept for 2D animation, 3D and all this thing. Animation I will teach you how like without giving any like event, or like if you want to moving any picture from like a particular time, means in the 3 second the picture will move, all 3 second the picture will move. How we can do that one by using animation CSS, I will show you that one as well. Okay, so next in that today is like 16, so we'll finish that one like in that week, CSS like all the part. Next we have to in that next we have to go JavaScript. Okay, then we have to go to the deep about like JavaScript, how we can create all the concept whatever we have, like DOM object, like we have how we can access by like particularly a tag by using ID, by using class name, by using another one is there. So we have to read the all the data we have, and we have what are the variable like keyword we have there inside that, how we can print by dynamically particularly text, and liability to like a function object, and we have op concept is also there, is object oriented programming language. Okay, so we have to later we have to go there in the next week. So before that, I will give you a assignment you have to complete. So you will create a particularly something website. Let's say what is that, intensive website you have to create. Okay, I will show you the intensive website. Wait. No need to go to the like a dynamical you have to create. You have to create a static website. Then you have to, when I teach you like all this like concept whatever like in JavaScript and Bootstrap, then you have to only to build a dynamic website. Then you have to work. I will give you a 3 day or like for 3 day to submit the task, because it's like taking more time to build that. Because if you give like a 1 day will be 2 hour 3 hour, that would be better. Okay, because why I need to be give that task, because if you're doing well inside that, so if any of that project going on in our career dream education is live project, then you maybe got a chance about like doing the live project. Then in that like certificate, you got a certificate about like live project will be doing all these things. Then it will be help in that corporate or like field, or if you go to the interview, then will be you can show that all the certificate we have, and you have like all these things, and you got selected in that. Like basically if 10 student or candidate, if you go there, and like inside, if you are there, you done like project, you have like expense on that, so you will be selected obviously, right? Wait, I will show you. Where is that? Wait, one more minute, I will show you. I need to find out that particularly intensive page or intensive website, then I will show you. And what is the time to join it? I think my screen is visible to you. It's visible, guys. Yeah. Okay. So this is a website. You not like exactly you have to build it that one. You have to take a reference on that. So you have to create. So what are the need to be definitely mentioned here? Like you have to give a header inside that, and you can use any of the picture, not an issue in that. So not need to like you have to create that type of, you can create your own idea, like you have to by using like any picture of that like intensive. And okay, so you have to give the step, like what are the step of intensive, whatever, like you have to apply some dummy text inside that, not an issue. So you have to give the step of the apply, like how to apply that intensive, and what is the program we have there, and what uh, how can we apply, and how can you submit, and like frequently asked question we have, and help and support we have to give. And you can create a in the below of that, it's a footer inside, you have to give the social media. And when the any of that particularly, you have to give your social media in that link. So you have to got a decent idea like how to give, we are giving the particularly a social media link. So in the href you have to copy the your like social media, then you have to give inside that. Okay, so next we have to enable, like according to your requirement, or like according to your creativity, you have to design. And in the register now we have to need to be, and you have to create a register now like a form as well. So you have to link that form in that, like in the button you have to give href, and in that you have to create a form by using this is not like google form you have to create, you have to create like a something HTML form, like by using HTML CSS. Okay, and you have to give that like whatever people will be told about like or like intensive. You have to give the domain like text, not issue. Okay, so and like you have to give that like innovative like or like something motivational cute inside that. Okay, so you can use the carousel if you know that one. If you want to like give that particularly login button or like register button in the header part, you can, not issue. So I will give you that link in that classroom. Okay, you have to go there, and you have to take a reference that one, and you have to make that. Okay, I will give you 3 days, you have to complete that one. Okay, not exactly you have to give how, like how you build a website, like more creativity. I want to see that one. So I will give you opportunity if I like any of the opportunity we have in that career dream education. Okay, so anyone have any doubt regarding classes, regarding whatever concept I will teach you inside that, and if you any doubt regarding the assignment, you can ask me. Anyone don't have any doubt? Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. So we'll discuss like today and 30 in the tomorrow. Okay. So try to complete the task. You have to complete much. So I will see your creativity how we can do that one, because many of the interns are not completed that we will set. So I will not talking about the task. You have to complete whatever I teach you. Doubt come when we do assignment. Okay, great. So do that assignment. If you any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, not issue. So I will give you that link as well, and like something how you need to use, like you can use the bootstrap and javascript, if you know that one better. So if you know that other language as well, not an issue, you can use C or PHP, like Java, whatever you know, not an issue. I need like your creativity, how we can you think that particularly website without a particular designing. So I will give you a reference as well. So not exactly you have to make, you have to give the color, all these things. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for listening with me and attending the session. So you can leave and give your attendance, then you can. Thank you so much.